In today's vlog, we're gonna bake some breakfast buns without any flour, try the Olaplex hair treatment, and I'm also gonna share with you some of the new stuff I got. So come join me. So today we're gonna try a new recipe. It's a TikTok recipe for like breakfast buns, but we won't use flour as in the recipe. We're gonna go with almond flour so we can get it more keto friendly. And I actually did use a co-pilot to modify this recipe, so let's see how this turns out. We did add almond flour and some psyllium what I don't know. So let's see, it will sit here and then we'll bake it in the oven for about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. So let's see how this turns out. Did do two different breads. This bread is the one with non-mixing, we just stir it all together, and this bread we mixed the cottage cheese and the eggs and then had the dry products in. So let's look inside. We take them side by side. They look quite similar. This has little cottage cheese things in it. I don't know if the camera pick it up. So this is the one we just stirred everything together, and this is the bread where we mixed egg and cottage cheese. It's funny, but I actually believe this one tasted better than this one, but they are pretty similar. Hubby was not fond of this bread at all. I thought it was pretty nice for what it is. It's totally worth trying, so try it and let me know if you do it. So right now I'm trying this Olaplex series. This is a little pre-shampoo treatment. And then we have the shampoo and the conditioner. So here I am. So just to give this little treatment here, we're gonna wait for like, I believe it says minimum 10 minutes. So I believe I will sit here with 20 minutes. Then we go in and shampoo the hair, see if that works out. If you will follow me, I'm using the K18. This treatment, the K18. And for my hair in the stage it is right now, it didn't work at all. And I also did have these drops. It's the K18. Didn't work. So now I'm looking into Olaplex and we will see how that goes. So of course you will join me. Let's see, let's finish this up. Good morning. So it's the morning after my Olaplex treatment, and I actually feel like my hair is feeling softer. I'll show you. Oh, it's the ice machine. So today it's really cold here. It's just 12 degrees, but look at my hair. Whew. I think it's more not so dry. Well, I maybe need to do some more treatments, but I really believe that was what my hair needed. So really excited for that. It feels much softer and lighter. So I thought I could share with you some of my new stuff I just got in. So first up is these little wristbands for the cameras. I got 2 different, so pretty happy for these. I did get the DJI mini mic. They are so cute and so small, and they work perfect with my big camera and my the DJI camera, the Osmo Pocket 3, and my large camera. It won't work with this camera I'm filming on. This is the Canon GX7 Mark II, but it's pretty beat up, so I'm really trying to see if maybe I shall sell the big camera and get another one instead. Let's see about that. We have the Healing Waters Oracle cards, and these are from Rebecca Campbell. I do have 2 other different from her, and I really do love them. So looking forward to working with these cards. Then we have some clothes. That's my favorite part. And this is a coat from the Swedish brand Dagmar, or House of Dagmar, and I got this second hand, and I actually paid 10 euros, or maybe no, 15 euros. But these coats are going for like 3,000 to 5,000 Swedish crowns. That's 300 to 500 euros or dollars, and I got it for 15. So it's a camel coat. It's in great quality and everything is perfect. Here is a little detail that I like. I think this is perfect for the autumn, and I believe I can get so much wear out of these. Then we have these shoes. They are a Danish brand. Here they are. It's a loafer. It's in brown suede. I do love them. They are kind of YSL like. I saw, I believe it was Karen Britchick who did get the YSL pair, and I was totally sold on that pair. But then I was googling the YSL, and these came up, and they are as beautiful. They don't have the little YSL, but I think these are very, very affordable if you compare it with the YSL. I believe I can have so much use out of these. So that was all my shopping. Now I need to go make some space in my closet, so let's go to the closet, right? So I'm trying to organize, trying to minimize as much as possible, but it's a struggle, as you know. Took these shelves out so I will have a little thing to hang my pants here. I think that will be perfect. We have a long way to go, but this will be perfect space, because those here in the bottom, they don't get used very much, so this will be just a perfect little space. Oh, so much to organize and to clean out. Yeah. So this day has come to an end. I really hope you enjoy this little vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment. It would be so much fun to connect with you. Would you try this little baking without flour? Will you try the Olaplex treatment, or what are your thoughts? What are you up to? So come join me, share with me, and let's keep this community growing. And remember, Have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are. Bye bye, I love you!